Mexico!
It's a sex scandal. You don't want to try it?
We just tried it.
You don't like it? Oh, you already did it. Woohoo! Oh shit.
I have a scar doing hot glue.
What?
Hot glue is different.
Hell nah, fuck that.
Put it on your nipple.
What did you bust?
No.
Let it fall on your nipple.
Hey, if I do it, you do it.
It's gonna get hot. Take your
There
shirt
it
off.
goes.
It's not doing it. Tilt it. But down.
I'm letting it build up. That way it's more. You fucking moron. I wouldn't do it to you, Kevin. Come here, Richard.
No, already.
Levi, your turn.
You've only done it once. I worked
Yeah,
on
take your shirt
it.
off. Ah! That's not bad. Y'all pussies.
Tiny ass drop.
Oh.
He's used to the sexual act.
That's it. Y'all need some stronger candles. Y'all ain't been to Spencer's.
Fuck that, dude.
Y'all some
Oh, you
little
bitch.
bitches. Y'all gonna be the first ones to go when they put us in the FEMA camps. Alright guys, the tow truck is here to pick up the Sierra, La Mamalona, La Chona, White Candy, White Dust, White Diamond,
King Shark.
Betty White, King Shark, Nanaru, whichever one of these names we're gonna pick. Nom Nom is gonna head over to VAS, get the 4.6 drop and the full suspension goodies that they offer for it, and then we'll get our drive shaft made, and then we will be out there fucking shit up.
Like
So-
cookies and cream.
La cookies and cream. Oof. La güera. La Lupe. Bro. We've been backed up here at the shop like always, so I really wanted to go out there, but I don't have time to drive an hour each way. Maybe we'll go out there while they're working on it, film some stuff.
Yeah, they're gonna have it for a week or longer.
He says a couple days. So
Oh,
to me, a
really?
couple days is 2 days.
I mean, that is a couple technically.
Yeah. Unless you're into threesomes, you know what I'm saying? So,
How do you do that?
how do I do what?
How does your mind go there?
Years of abuse. Trauma. Playing Cave Explorer with my relatives.
Hide the pickle.
How are you gonna do a burnout before me? No, come on, I can't wait to see what it looks like when VAS is done with it. 4.6, so 4 inches in the front, 6 in the back, with the C-notch, Viking coilovers. It's gonna be badass. Again, the budget out the window. Maybe we need to do a raffle after, just to give it away after we beat the shit out of it for a little bit. Buy some t-shirts or stickers and we'll make that happen.
Okay, injectors are back, and me plus one Harry are gonna install it.
Oh, it's Harry! Now you get to mess with some fast cars.
Here, Harry, more for you.
Whoever gets a bad one doesn't eat lunch today.
So all of them?
All of them, we're all fucked.
You unplug the compressor.
Yeah. The people at home, thank you.
Headphone user sorted.
Oh yeah. Pretty straightforward. You should have 2 bolts over there that hold the fuel rails down.
Yeah.
We're gonna do some on there. We'll get some PV blaster real quick.
But no, to answer your question, I don't think I'm gonna get a car. I don't know.
Gotta get a Mustang at least.
They're expensive, but like you don't have to do anything to it, and they're already fast.
Yeah.
Quick and fast enough for me.
I understand. I always wanted a Tesla too. I like the technology behind it.
Yeah.
It's sad that it's gonna be an end to stuff like this eventually, but at the same
Eventually.
time, it's like that shit's kind of cool.
I think it's gonna live for a long time because of the hobby, because of the people that spend their lives doing this,
Yeah.
and it's not gonna be soon, not within our lifetime.
Hopefully not.
I always think of that movie, iRobot.
Uh-huh.
Whenever it's like futuristic city, but then like he goes to storage and he pulls out a motorcycle.
You mean how the country would have looked like if Bernie Sanders won?
Ah.
I mean, they seem like they had already a little bit of lube on them, but I don't want to tear any O-rings. And then this kind of fools at this injector company and be like, whoa, it's installer error, blah, blah, blah. Before you stick it. We should make Harry look like an unlocked character on the thumbnail. Like, guys, you're dark skinned, but just because like nobody knows that you're here. Yeah. Have you told anybody yet?
No, not really.
Not even the subscribers. Keeping secrets.
All right, my hands are super slippery now.
Round 4 with these injectors. Hopefully they work out.
Even has a grab handle on the intake.
Well, that's. I guess you could use it as a grab handle, but it's actually a burst plate. But if it ever has a really serious backfire or something, it'll protect the intake, and there's a serviceable piece in there that gets replaced. Sometimes some of the screws that hold this down are plastic also.
So it breaks.
Yeah, so it breaks. Yeah, but it looks like those are stainless, so I don't know how they got that burst plate rigged up.
You always make me burst.
I'm gonna prime it first. We'll check for leaks. Then we'll start it.
Everything looks good. Oh yeah.
So far, so good. Let's see what it does after it warms up some more. It's your birthday, Kevin? Why didn't you say anything? How old are you today?
25.
25? No way. I thought you were bullshit. You're still a little baby.
24.
My little Kevin's growing up.
It's Big Kevin. It's big
my
Kevin.
little big Kevin.
Hi, Big Kevin.
It's not the injectors.
Fucking trash.
Best injector company in the world. My ass.
Why are you sighing?
Because we are now trying to finger fuck these injectors. This is literally data that they send with their injectors. Brilliant engineers who can send paragraphs telling you why there is a problem. Not how to solve the problem, but this is why there's an issue. And their data doesn't work. So what we're supposed to do is go in and make it work. So deviate from their data that is supposed to be proven that they offer with these $2,800 worth of injectors. That's what we're trying. So let's see if it actually works. If not, prepare for a more fiery rant. So stay tuned.
Richard said it sounded like it had even more misfires.
Sometimes life be like that. You think everything's going well, you spend the money in the right places, and you end up getting fucked anyways. Let's see.
So did Lund chop it up to make it work?
He did his nice finger fucking. We'll see if he can finger it till it likes it.
Fingering is only for guys with small wee-wees.
Oof. It's a good thing I don't spend much time at 1500 RPM. Because these things fucking suck. Better off putting a set of fucking China injectors for $300. It's just aggravating because I know what it sounded like with the perfect set,
Yeah.
and it was a lot cleaner than that.
Doing that fucking flashlight.
Inspector.
Looks like it's running a factory built to me.
Yeah, and 6-rip of that.
Is that an exhaust V-band?
Where?
This? It's a V-band. That's just aluminum V-band.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay.
Did it work?
All right. Now that we talked, that we're facing that, the throttle body you gave me for my car. Remember, y'all used the throttle body you put in my
It was a new
throttle
one.
body? Didn't work.
It was new from Ford.
Didn't work.
Brand new. 100%.
Didn't work. I'm like, what the fuck? Bro, I put it on there. As soon as I put it on here, because I had used Randy's on my car.
Oh, okay.
And so
So I stole from you and you stole from Randy.
well, I was like, fuck it. I'm going to give Randy a brand new throttle body.
Brand new. That's what I said when I gave it to you. So I'm going to give Aldo a brand new one.
I put it on there, first fire up fucking codes for the throttle body. It's like, bop, 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 bop. I'm like, man, what the fuck?
Yeah.
Awesome, bro. Because I fucking welded a V-band to it, right? So I'm like, oh my God, this is going to be terrible. So I ended up getting another one. I literally changed everything from the inside, trying different pieces in there because I didn't want to have to modify it. Yeah.
Guts?
Yeah, and nothing. Like, it would get rid of some codes, but it'll still have another. I'm like, man, fuck, bro. Shit, it was late at night. I fucking took it to the V-Bank, cut the fucking thing off of it, I have a little lathe that I bought. So I fucking lathed it, turned it down just enough so it'll all line up where it needs to be. Finally put this one on. Fucking work. Because like if I took this throttle body, I'd connect it, all the codes would go away. And so I even tried all the guts out of this one into that one.
You have that cord?
Yeah.
Does it have enough? Does it have enough? Or?
Yeah, but it has them all in the back.
Oh.
And this intake's so stupid, bro. Like they're all 4AN. So they're 4AN threads. So there's like no 1/8 inch MPP thread. All my lines for this car were -3. You can't find a 4AN ORB to -3 fitting.
Without burning a bunch of stupid ass adapters
Yeah.
and shit.
So I ended up making that all work, but then I needed to run the manifold pressure sensor, and that one is just a vacuum. I was like, man, I'm not gonna run it to the back, and this will work perfect whenever we dyno the car. I can just connect right to it. You know?
Oh yeah, bro, here.
I did that. I did the like how I cut the Y.
I like it. It looks clean. I wish you did all this on Brian's car. Make it look.
Brian ain't about that life.
Sorry, I take care of my money. I can't just blindly give it to you.
And then if it's when I do it over here, I mean I can only do so much.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I wanted to
If
do
you
this
put in a
line on
fucking
Brian.
Tucktail and ran, you'd still have everything right here.
Does he have 4 bolts on the bell housing?
Well, the power glide though, so he only needs like 3. It's fine.
Got all the bolts. Yeah, I wanted to do this line on Brian's.
Yeah.
The water one?
Eliminates
I thought we were.
Well, I mean, I needed it in the shop to do it. But yeah, that works out really well.
I just don't like how that bend, that 90 is that high.
It's
Can we do
super
something
tight,
about that?
yeah.
I don't like that.
So,
Hey, Michael, submit this to the Rate My Build so I can talk shit. Be like, hey, this whole fuck, who put this all together? Yeah, I'm gonna rate it. I'm gonna be like, look at this.
Self-submitted.
Tell Aldo to put an adapter on there and bring that hoe down.
yeah. Bro, the thread on this,
Maybe like
on this one was fucking great. On this one, it was fucked. I
What is
probably
it?
am never gonna take that
Fra-
fitting off.
Fragola stuff? Or?
No, the valve cover.
Oh, okay.
That's perfect. It's smooth as shit. Everything else is the worst.
It's everything that I want to do to mine.
Everything you want to do yours?
I don't want to cut mine up. I mean, and I've already feel like I've done it, but like the steering wheel,
The manual rack. fit is fit. The only problem with that, you can't fucking turn off everything in the dash.
like you already know, I'm pretty distracted after the burnout. So I'm over turning off all the lights, making sure the phone's recording.
Same way.
So I'm like, I don't want any error messages, so that way if a valid one comes up, it's fresh. You know, I see it. Like, and you ain't got no oil pressure. Drive shaft's gone.
That's the thing. Like when I fucking fired this car up, I'm like, I need to see if it has oil pressure.
Yeah.
Like, what the fuck do I do? So I literally took apart his whole steering wheel, took the whole harness, and had to connect everything to the car just to click through it. And I was like, all right, oil pressure's normal. I'm like, you know what? Fuck this. I'm putting a gauge on it.
Put a narrow band on it. It's either like good or bad.
One of them old school AEM ones. Yeah, I like the circle. It's nice. It's a little flimsy.
Is that the M&M one?
Yeah. This is the only thing I'm like, man, what the fuck?
Pack it.
Why is it so flimsy? But it's nice.
They'll probably do that though for when it's air shifted.
Yeah.
That way it don't fucking bind up or nothing. Which kit is this? Motion. Motion? They sell those for a Mustang? How much was all that drop? I mean, you already have an airbag light on from the other side, so what the fuck does it matter?
Weight-wise, it probably dropped 25, 30 pounds. All right, let's see. Sell these shitty ass valve covers and just put a different set on here. Headache. that was bound to happen. Fucking Valve cover, bro.
Oh god, that bitch sounds good though. How much it make?
What it made? 14 something.
No way. 14, 16. Ooh.
29 pounds?
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Well, that's kind of where I let off as soon as I saw the smoke. Yeah, I'm about to take some fucking pieces of shit off, bro.
Oh, he mad.
Spicy.
Now lick me.
Huh? How much booze? Like 6 pounds? No, it ain't gonna make 6. It'll probably make 9 or 10. Good, we're ready? Alright. Injectors are good enough now.
What did you buy?
Something we needed. We've been having some bad luck in the shop. We're gonna have to burn some sage. Gonna cleanse the energy here.
You have to light it and then go and just like walk around the shop.
I am. I have to light one like everywhere, but I'm gonna strap it to Gregor so he can run around. You fucking dyslexic ass. Dyslexic as hell. He's like, oh, 48. I'm like, huh? That's it. That's all it's gonna make.
Oh no, cringe.
Shut up, bitch. So either you deaf or you stupid.
I think you just got me fucked up.
Stand up.
What the fuck?
In the arms of the...
No.
Get over here. Come here, Peggy. That's what his wife calls him when she pegs him. Little Peggy.
Hey, isn't it the best feeling ever when you get pegged though?
No.
Oh, I thought only I liked to. Ah!